how to turn on or off enter key send. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off your enter key send on Signal application. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal, click on it, and now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on shots. Now click on keyboard enter key send and you can turn on this option. And you choose if you want to turn on or off, whatever you want. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.